Pero sinabi ho na co-perpetrator.
Tama, pero hindi
kasabwat. Sinabi ho diyang kasabwat.
Okay. Ngayon, tignan natin. Action to be taken. Locate and arrest with a view to extradition. Assurances are given extradition will be sought upon arrest of the person in conformity with national laws or the applicable bilateral and multilateral treaties. Ibig sabihin, hindi yung kidnapping or yung
Hindi
extraordinary
po kidnapping. Wala hong
rendition.
nangyaring kidnapping, ma'am.
Pero may extradition, bakit
Hindi, meron ho dalawang
in-extradite?
option yan eh.
Ang haba ng
Ang
proseso.
international humanitarian law gives us two
Walang-
options.
walang nakasulat
There are
dito.
two options under international humanitarian law.
I'm just
The first
talking
option is
about the
extradition.
diffusion,
No, I have
Secretary.
to explain the law, ma'am. The international humanitarian law gives us two options: extradition or surrender. And we chose the path, surrender path, ma'am, not extradition.
So despite the myriad and ironclad commitments to Interpol, hindi tayo sumunod dito sa hinihingi
Hindi ho sila familiar sa system
Ang
natin eh.
hinihingi nila, extradition, hindi surrender. Di po
Hindi-
ba? Ang liwanag eh.
Hindi, yan po
Papawin
ay
natin
kanilang
yung
sinasabi
tiraha.
kasi yan po ang customary law sa maraming bansa na extradition.
Kanina sinabi mo,
Hindi,
kapag
kaya nga eh, yun
customary
yung-
law, yung procedural at administrative, hindi din
Hindi, pero yun nga ho eh. Hindi nila alam yung ating batas eh. Hindi ho nila
correct,
alam na
correct.
meron tayong Republic Act 9851 na nagsasabi pwede extradition o pwede surrender.
Teka,
Ang pinili po namin executive action po, surrender po.
Tapusin muna natin yung sentence kasi meron pang karugtong. Extradition will be sought upon arrest of the person in conformity with national laws. Susunod tayo sa 9851.
Yes,
Ang
yun know, sinunod dyan, 9851.
O, sige.
And hindi extradition ang aming ginamit, kundi surrender.
Eka, meron tayong iko-konsulta, Attorney Alexis Medina, na sumulat ng iba't ibang libro tungkol sa international law at sabi niya, hindi tumbok sa extradition o surrender, hindi sila pareho. Kaya kinakailangan intindihin, eto, na extradition, kaliwaliwanag sa batas natin. Senator Cayetano, and thereafter we will consult Attorney Medina.
Thank you, Madam Chair.